If you are a stay-at-home mom, you know the exact feeling of cleaning all day and still feeling like you are completely missing out on life. The pursuit of stay-at-home mom income often begins as a desire for freedom. Instead, it becomes the overwhelmed motherhood trap. You are not just managing a house, you are running an uncompensated logistics firm. The invisible labor compounds daily. Time vanishes, energy depletes, you end the day feeling you accomplished nothing, yet you never stop moving. This is the fundamental friction. You attempt to carve out hours for economic creation. The environment resists, interruptions fracture your focus. The traditional model dictates you must separate work from life. When your life is the management of a home, separation is a myth. This creates a psychological deficit. You feel you are missing out on life while simultaneously failing to build independent wealth. The tension is relentless. Notice this pattern. The issue is not a lack of effort. The issue is a flawed operational model. You are applying industrial-age work concepts to a modern domestic environment. Trading hours for dollars requires uninterrupted blocks of time. Mothers rarely possess uninterrupted blocks of time. Attempting to force a rigid structure into a dynamic environment guarantees failure. This is the hidden time trap. You are sold the idea of the flexible side hustle. You discover it demands constant, fractured attention. You become responsive, not strategic. The solution requires a complete recalibration of how you perceive value. You must stop viewing time as something to be traded. You must start viewing time as something to be leveraged. We call this new architecture the quiet leverage loop. It is widely observed that the most sustainable home-based economic models do not rely on constant presence. They rely on established assets. An asset is a system that works when you step away. A digital product, an automated workflow, a piece of evergreen content. These structures absorb your initial effort and decouple your earning potential from your physical presence. This shift moves you from active management to structural design. You are no longer reacting to immediate demands. You are building equity in your own digital infrastructure. Have you noticed how your time disappears before noon? Share your experience in the comments. Building this infrastructure requires specific tools. Mental bandwidth is your most constrained resource. You must offload cognitive load into external systems. A premium, tactile project management journal or a dedicated visual time blocking system, often sourced through Amazon, becomes essential hardware. It forces the externalization of tasks. It separates domestic duties from revenue-generating actions. A link to reliable options is available in the description. You must draw a boundary around your economic hours, even if those hours are fragmented into 15-minute blocks. Consistency in short bursts defeats erratic marathon sessions. The focus shifts to micro-progress. The quiet leverage loop functions on the principle of compound returns. A small system built today operates continuously tomorrow. You create a digital guide based on a specific problem you solved. You automate the delivery. You spend your limited time optimizing the entry point, not fulfilling the service. This is how you build true stay-at-home mom income. It is not about finding more time. It is about altering the nature of the work done within the time you have. The traditional economy demands your presence. The soft power economy demands your strategy. You must audit your current actions. Are you performing tasks that must be repeated daily? Or are you building assets that serve you indefinitely? The overwhelmed motherhood trap is fueled by repetition without accumulation. You wash the dishes, they return. You answer the email, another arrives. To escape the trap, you must inject accumulation into your routine. 1 hour spent building a permanent digital asset changes the trajectory of your week. This is the perception shift. You are not just a caretaker. You are the architect of a microeconomy. The environment you manage is complex. The systems you build must be simple. Complexity invites friction. Friction destroys momentum. Identify one recurring problem in your specific demographic. Formulate a standardized solution. Package that solution digitally. This process requires deep focus. Focus is a rare commodity in a domestic setting. You must engineer your environment to protect your attention. Establish visual cues. A specific lamp turned on signifies economic focus. A closed door, even for 20 minutes, signals boundaries. The goal is not to emulate a corporate office. The goal is to establish psychological triggers that initiate deep work instantly. Your identity integrates with your output. You reclaim a sense of self distinct from your role as a mother, without abandoning that role. This duality is powerful. It replaces the feeling of missing out on life with the satisfaction of building something enduring. You are creating a legacy of self-reliance. You are demonstrating to your family that value creation is not tied to a specific location or a traditional employer. The transition is gradual. You will face internal resistance. You will face external interruptions. Acknowledge the friction. Do not fight the environment. Adapt your systems to accommodate the reality of your daily life. If a system requires perfect conditions to function, it is a fragile system. Home life is never perfect. Your economic architecture must be resilient. It must survive sick days. It must survive unexpected schedule changes. The quiet leverage loop accounts for this volatility. Because the assets function independently, your temporary absence does not halt the mechanism. This is the definition of leverage. Review your primary tasks. Which actions generate the highest return on energy? Discard the rest. The illusion of productivity is the enemy of actual progress. Being busy is not the same as being effective. You must become ruthless with your time allocation. Every minute spent on a low-value task is a minute stolen from your digital architecture. The modern economy rewards specialized knowledge packaged efficiently. You possess specialized knowledge. The challenge is the packaging. Start small, a single, focused guide, a clear, automated sequence. Build one complete loop before attempting another. Complexity is the final trap. Keep the systems lean. Keep the overhead low. Your greatest advantage is your agility. You do not have corporate bureaucracy. You can pivot and adapt instantly. Use this advantage. Test ideas quickly. Discard what fails. Scale what works. The feeling of being overwhelmed fades when you have a clear blueprint. Anxiety is often the result of unstructured ambition. Give your ambition a structure. The quiet leverage loop provides that framework. It transforms abstract desires into concrete, measurable steps. It replaces hope with engineering. You are no longer waiting for the perfect moment. You are utilizing the imperfect moments to build lasting value. This is the reality of modern stay-at-home mom income. It is methodical. It is intentional. It is built one fragment of time at a time. If you value building income from your time at home, comment leverage. And consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time. Legal notice. This material is provided strictly for educational and strategic purposes. It does not constitute medical, legal, or formal financial advice. Building independent income systems involves risk. Always consult with qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or making significant financial decisions.